Hi soap friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some soap dough. So this is something that I like to do with the end of a big batch of soap batter. Basically what you want to do is take your soap batter to a very heavy trace, a very thick trace, and then separate it out into containers. If you're adding fragrance, you could add it at this point. I like to keep mine unscented so I can use them on all different bars. And then add a little bit of mica and mix up all the colors. You can also add the mica after, but I find it a lot harder to incorporate into the dough. It's a little bit easier to mix in when the dough is still liquidy. You can choose any colors you want. I like to kind of do the basic primary colors because then you can mix them together to create lots of other colors. Another interesting thing here is this green color that I used actually morphs. So you can already see it's kind of going muddy and yucky. I peek back in and see this is about halfway through and see how like puke color it looks? It's not going to end like this. So this is after about 48 hours. I come back and everything has saponified, but because we kept it in an airtight container, it didn't dry out. So what we're left with is more of like a paste consistency or a dough. So you're just going to take a chunk of your dough out and warm it up, get the consistency a little bit smoother, and then grab a mold. I do like to put a little bit of olive oil in my mold just to help it come out of the mold so it's not so sticky. See how cute? And the olive oil does absorb back into the soap. Because there's olive oil already in my soap recipe, I also don't have to change my ingredient list, so that's a bonus. So you can make soap dough with any recipe of soap. Again, you just keep it in an airtight container so it doesn't dry out. These little embeds take approximately 24 hours to harden, and then they're ready to be used on top of a soap or directly on the soap face. They can even be used as cute little guest soaps on their own. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more soap videos. Have a great day, everyone.